Hi, this is tkviper, and today we're going to look at a candy store, Dagashiふうりん堂. Dagashi means cheap candy. And as you can see, it's a store packed with goodies for the kids at affordable prices. Kids usually take their own baskets, go in there and collect the goods they want. So here we have a section for senbei, rice crackers, all kinds of flavors, all kinds of shapes. I really like the ones that are curry flavored. Here we have dry squid, dry octopuses in a jar. So there is the curry flavor senbei that I really like. Here we have some dry fish as a snack, beer snack I guess, but I guess kids can eat it too. We have some popular drinks for the summertime, lemonade, which is like lemonade, except it's made for kids. Very sweet. Inside there's a little marble that you can keep after you drink it. And they're very popular in the summertime. Here we have candy from the anime, Grave of the Fireflies. The girl there, she loves this candy in the anime, but in the end she dies from starvation during World War II. It's quite sad. I really recommend you watch it. It's a good movie. Next we have candy made to look like bento or lunchbox. So rice, meat, vegetables, all made from candy. This is kind of like Rice Krispie treats, except it's not sweet. It is shoyu flavored or soy sauce flavored. So a lot of snacks are salty in Japan. This is miso flavor, I think. Some animal crackers. Actually looks better than the animal crackers we have in America. One side has a coating, a sweet coating. Here are some more clusters. You can see peanuts and kaki pea. And we have lemonade candy. These are kind of malt candy, I think. And then we have a section full of toys for kids. Little cheap toys, slinkies, guns, fruits, ice cream, a bird whistle. Everything is a few hundred yen, so a few dollars. Some balloons here. And a Mario Kart. I think that's the most expensive one for $18. Some beads. Marbles. You can see marbles there. In the back of the store we have some gummies. Some chips. So these are the chip section. Here we have some M&Ms and candy inside a 1,000,000 yen package. This is mayonnaise flavored, so it looks kind of strange to me. More chips, some beef jerky, some cookies, and a tub of sugar powder. 270 yen. And these are more traditional candy. Ume flavor, which is sour plum. Inside the candy there's actually a sour plum. And we have some more dry squid here. You can see that it's rolled up, skewered. I think it's pickled. And here's a fun little device for helping you eat a lollipop. It's almost like a fishing rod. You spin it right here, and then the lollipop spins in your mouth. So saves you time. Some more candy. And here we have a cutlet in a snack form. So this is tonkatsu sauce cutlet. Next we have some candy from Korea. This is yogurt flavor. All right. Thanks for watching. Please like, and I'll see you next time.